these trailers we haven't even unloaded yet. Here's the back side, LED lighting, slide-in ramps. There is the front side. Locking toolbox, adjustable 2 5/16 inch ball on the front. Give you the front and back side of the trailer at one shot. It's all powder coated. You see how wide, heavy the frame is. Okay, these are the hubs. Shows you there's brakes on both. Treated floor. All right. Got your stake pockets on the side, your dovetail. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just showing you the front and the back, so we didn't gain anything, did we? Back, show you the dovetail again. 18 plus 2, 3,500 pound axle.